I understand that today's video conference is to take suggestions from collectors and SPs on how we go forward in the month of July. Your experiences so far would be invaluable for the government for future to fine-tune our strategy. I would like everyone to share their experiences, both positive and negative, in a fearless manner. I have a few points to make. Number one, creation of COVID care committee at GKS level, providing funds, giving powers, training, and a system to monitor their function. Number two, creation of COVID care homes in every GP and TMC for a cluster of GPs. Similarly, fund and tagging service providers. 3. Please take care of COVID warriors. They're running the extra mile to save people. They should be sensitized on protecting themselves. This is very, very important. Number 4, I keep talking to infected COVID warriors and take feedback of their well-being. So far, the feedback is good. I would like senior officers to do the same. It will motivate them greatly. 5, government officers should be zero infection zones. Sensitize staff on do's and don'ts. We should be very strict in protecting our institutions. Every head of office would be made responsible for this. Number 6, police and administration should embark on zero tolerance to mask and social distance violators. We are almost 3 months into the pandemic, and we should be tough on those who violate even now. Number 7, private hospitals must be sensitized and frequent random checks taken up. Number 8, collectors must have special strategies for hotspots within their districts. 9, every department of government must be actively involved in this war against COVID. We are doing very well as of now. I'm sure we will continue with this good work. Thank you.